Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and today we're going to make something that I love. It's a nacho grande, but it's made with waffle potatoes. I just got them out of the oven. They're very hot, and as you see, I cooked them about 20 minutes. I cooked them by the directions on the box, and now I'm going to put them in a iron skillet. Love my iron skillet. I only use it for a few things. I don't use it for a lot of things because I like to keep it seasoned. And it's hard to keep it seasoned if you fry potatoes in it and stuff like that. So it usually is a good reason for cooking. I know, but my kids and grandkids love this when I make it. I just looked at the clock. My little grandson will be home pretty soon. He comes to my house from the bus. Okay, now remember, this is waffle fry nacho grande. Okay, so we've got our fries. This was a small bag of fries, and I have to say it wasn't the kind I usually buy, but I don't know, I get real upset going to the grocery store now, not being able to get things I used to be able to buy. And this is 10 slices of bacon. And what can bacon do for anything except make it wonderful? My little dog has stayed in the kitchen the last few minutes thinking she's going to get some bacon. And now this is just a snack. I hope you're having a pretty fall this year. It looks like it's going to be here. So far, the weather has changed dramatically. We have like lows in the 40s now at night. Of course, I've said before, fall is not my favorite time of year because it's the leaves and the garden messes have to be cleaned up and things put away that you've enjoyed all summer. So it's sort of a good thing and bad thing, I guess you'd say. Okay, now I've got a cup of tomatoes, and I squeezed a little bit of the juice out, but I left some juice in. A cup of green onions, of course, black olives, salsa, your salsa of your choice. I like salsa, and I like it medium. I love hot things, but I don't like them too hot. So, first of all, we're going to put our salsa on. Now, does this look good or what? And you don't have to cut your bacon up with scissors. I don't know. It's just something I've always done. And it's just, sometimes people think it's weird. Well, it probably is. But I do like to do it that way. There's our salsa. Green onions. Oh, love these. Love our green onions. That's one thing I'm sad my garden is gone. I think I've got my last few tomatoes this week, so I'm not too happy about that. And I'm going to put a big handful of black olives. You can put anything you want to. It's just, like when you go, someone have a nacho grande, you put what you want to on it. I'm not going to put my tomatoes until I take them out. I'd rather have my tomatoes cold. Same thing with the cheese. I'll stir it up. This is mozzarella. And I have a lot of cheddar down here in the bottom. It almost looks like a pizza, doesn't it? I think it's just that that pan sort of does something to it. I'll put a few more black ones on top. I'm an olive lover. I hope you are. If not, leave them off. Okay. And we'll put this in the oven. And then we'll enjoy our waffle fries. Okay. Look how wonderful this looks. I actually put it in the oven for 5 minutes, and then I turned broil on until it got a little bit of brown on top. And if you notice, I did not put salt on it because there's so many things in here that have salt, and a lot of people are limited on salt, so I didn't want to make it, too salty for some people. So add your salt as you need to. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I think this is good. And some tomatoes. Let's put our tomatoes on it. A few tomatoes on it. I think I'll wait till everybody takes those and put their own, because I hate to see the onions get warm. And the sour cream, of course. Well, it's too wonderful. Maybe we should just save it, and I can have it for lunch every day, so make it. I'm teasing, of course. My granddaughter and grandson will be here pretty soon. And again, I'm talking with my mouth full. I love doing this. Of course, I always love doing things like this. Hope you've had a good day. I enjoyed doing this. Remember the joy this week, and that it's fall, and a lot of people are hurting. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you soon.